Picture this. You're ordering your morning coffee or chatting with a coworker. They say something to you, smile, and look at you for an answer, but your mind is completely blank. You didn't catch a single word. In that split second, panic hits. Your heart races, your face gets warm, and you have to make a choice.
Oh, I know that exact panic. And usually we choose the easiest escape route, the classic nod and smile. You just grin, say, yeah, totally, and pray they didn't just ask you a serious question.
The nod and smile. We have all done it, Liam. But here's the problem, it actually cuts off real connection. It leaves you feeling isolated and, frankly, a bit like a fraud. Welcome to the Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Today, we're throwing out the nod and smile. We're giving you 3 simple, incredibly natural phrases to use when you don't understand, so you can keep the conversation flowing without a single drop of awkwardness.
Let's start with a common scenario. You're at a local cafe or talking to a neighbor. They say something quick and you just miss the last few words. Instead of a blunt, what, which can sound a bit harsh, what's our first go-to phrase, Liam?
Our first tool is beautifully soft. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
I love this one. Notice we aren't saying I don't know English. We're saying the words flew past me and I missed them. It sounds like a temporary glitch, not a failure.
Exactly. It's like trying to catch a ball that just slipped past your fingers. And that little word quite softens the whole sentence. Let's practice the rhythm of it. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll be a fast-talking barista and you use the phrase. Hi there, welcome in. Do you want room for cream in that, or are you good to go?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Oh, no problem. Do you want space at the top of your cup for cream?
See, just like that, the pressure is gone. The barista didn't judge me, they just rephrased it a little more clearly.
Now, scenario number 2. This is when someone isn't necessarily using difficult words, but they are speaking at modern highway speeds.
Sometimes native speakers get excited, or they're just in a rush and their words totally blend together. When that happens, you don't just need them to repeat it, you need them to slow down.
Right, but a lot of learners are afraid to ask for that because they think it looks bad. But the truth is, even native speakers ask each other to slow down. Here is your high confidence phrase for this exact moment. Could you slow down just a little bit? I'm still practicing my listening.
That is a magic phrase. By adding, I'm still practicing my listening, you are being completely honest and authentic. People love honesty. It instantly triggers their desire to help you.
It really does. It switches them from a hurried stranger to a supportive guide. Let's try it out. We're coworkers running into each other in the hallway. Hey, did you see the email from corporate about the updated layout templates for Monday? Because we really need to change the background colors before the meeting.
Oh, wow. Could you slow down just a little bit? I'm still practicing my listening.
Oh, right. Sorry about that. I'm rushing. Basically, we just need to change the colors on our presentation slides before Monday.
Look at what happened there. By using that phrase, you actually helped me calm down too. It brings the energy of the room to a manageable level.
That brings us to our third scenario. What happens when you understood the whole sentence except for one single mystery word? Maybe it's slang, an idiom, or a technical term.
This is actually a great place to be because you understood 90% of the conversation. You don't want them to repeat the whole thing from the beginning.
You just need a definition for that one word.
So the phrase here is direct and very conversational. Sorry, what does that word mean?
It's so practical. For example, if someone says, "We need to wrap up this meeting," and you don't know what wrap up means, you just ask, "Sorry, what does wrap up mean?"
And the native speaker will instantly give you a synonym. Oh, it just means to finish or end. Boom, you just learned a new idiom in a natural context, and the conversation didn't miss a beat.
Instead of hiding the fact that you don't know a word, you are actively curating your own learning. You're turning a daily interaction into a stress-free micro lesson.
You know, Liam, as we talk about these phrases, it really comes down to a shift in mindset. Why do you think we feel so much shame when we have to say, I don't understand?
I think it's because we look at language like a school test. In school, if you don't understand, you get a bad grade. But in the real world, language isn't a test, it's a bridge. It's just a tool for connection.
Beautifully said. When you tell someone, hey, I didn't quite catch that, you aren't failing. You are actually showing them that you care about what they're saying. That's a sign of a great listener.
Absolutely. Native speakers don't mind slowing down. They just want to connect with you. So give yourself permission to be a learner. Wear it like a badge of honor.
Let's do a quick recap of our 3 high confidence tools. For a general missed sentence, sorry, I didn't quite catch that. For a fast speaker, could you slow down just a little bit? I'm still practicing my listening. And for a specific mystery word, sorry, what does that word mean?
And as always, we leave you with your daily challenge. Sometime today, whether you're listening to another podcast, watching a video, or speaking to someone in person, find a moment to mentally practice one of these phrases. Visualize yourself saying it calmly with a smile.
If this low-stress approach to English makes sense to you and you want to build real-world confidence every single day, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps us keep creating these episodes for you.
Leave a comment below telling us which of these 3 phrases you are going to use first. Thank you for spending a part of your day with us. This is the Daily English. English every day made simple.
Have a beautiful, confident day, everyone. See you tomorrow.